I am going to show how to design a simple wish poster for business. First, go to Google and search pixabay.com. Make a free account on pixabay.com, then choose one photo which you want and download it. Open the Adobe Illustrator and create a new file. Here I create 500 pixel width and 500 pixel height. Go to Advanced Setting and choose Color Mode RGB. If you want to print this poster, then choose Color Mode CMSYK. Go to Raster Effect and choose 300 pit is the high quality resolution. Press Create Bottom. Drag and drop your photo on Illustrator. Arrange the size of the photo. Go to Rectangle Tools and select Rectangle and draw it under the photo. Choose a color using Color Drop tool, with matching your photo. Let's arrange it. Select Photo and Rectangle both. Go to Object menu and lock Selection Layer. After lock this layer, your layer not moved. Now layer is fixed. Enter the text using Text Tools and select Font. Here I chose Impact Font and White color. Increase font size. Give stroke 1 or 2 pixels. And choose the color of stroke yellow. Now I am going to place the photo in the text. Finally, arrange the text size. Now, Select the text and go to Type. Select the Create Outlines. Select the text and right-click Make Ungroup. Now all text is individual. Go to the bottom of the Tools area. Here are options. Drag normal, drag behind, and drag inside. We are going to place in the text, so choose drag inside. Now select the text and click drag inside option. Here text is marked. Now go to the file and click place option. Select the photo which you want to place in the text. Click the top of the photo and select over the photo. You can move photo easily over the text. Your other text if you need with company name. It is finally complete.